pure sadhu surrender the process of uh, guru and disciples in the top-down approach, and one can understand that. But it is clearly mentioned that it is transcendental to material nature. The nature of love, or the nature of transcendental science of love is beyond material conception. One cannot conceive. That's why it is inconceivable. It can be experienced by the mercy of a pure devotee. Premaiv Goparamanam Kamo Itya Gamutkam Itiva Vadayo Pyat Vanchanti Bhagavat Priya. This love of gopis is completely beyond any kind of material lusty desire, which is aspired by all the dear devotees of Lord. All the dear devotees of Lord aspires the love of gopis. This is completely free from all lusty desire. How it is free? How it is completely free from the lusty desires? That is explained in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Amara darsane Krishna pailo eta sukha ei sukhe gopira prapulanga mukha. Amara darsane Krishna pailo eta sukha. Because seeing me, Krishna is getting pleasure. This is the pleasure of gopis. Because of that, they become happy and ecstasious. Their bodily pleasure or the symptoms of pleasure that is appearing in the body of gopis is not anything else. It is only that Krishna is getting lots of pleasure. When we talk about kama, it has a direct relationship with body. Jehi sansparsana bhoga dukkha janaya evate. In touch of which one just suffers. When there is a connection of body, it is lost and its symptom is only suffering. There is nothing else. Jehi sansparsaya bhoga dukkha janayavate adyantavanta konteya nadesu ramate buddha. Here also Prabhupada explains that Bhagavad Gita says they are not Buddha. Those who are engaged in lusty desires. To give the pleasure to themselves, they are baffled by their attempt, rather they get more distresses. So they are not intelligent because they are not able to discriminate the finite aspects of difference between the gulf of love and lust. So they are not Buddha, they are not intelligent enough. So this needs or transformations, rasa varja, rasa api paradushta nivartante. They need transformations by giving up the lower taste, by taking up the higher taste. So this is the transcendental realm where one approaches a bona fide representative. So they give this higher taste and they destroys the lower taste. So kama means a bodily connections, love means a non-bodily connections. Entirely different. Kama is material and love is spiritual. Whenever there is spiritual means it has to be godly. Kama is godless. The thought is morally godless. In kama, there is an independent ownership. Godless thought. And love is only godly thought. Without presence of God, there is no question of love. So love, as its own behavior, is only to be exchanged with Supreme Personality of Godhead. Any other form is not love. Then we can say spiritual masters, the dealings with spiritual master is love. because it is the love between Guru and disciple is directly love between Lord and devotee. Acharya Mam Abhijana. Because Acharya is non different from God.